Hey guys, how you going? Right, welcome to another episode. Right, today I am going to aim for a 3 kilo copper ingot. So, got it all set up. So, get my mix, shove that one in. That's a little bit over a kilo, that. I've got some other ones in here that are, let's see if I can just jam some in there. Get a bit more. Alright, let's go. Let's do this. Alright, so I got myself a one of these so I can actually measure the temperature. So that's 35 degrees. So it goes from minus 50 to 1400 degrees. So have a look. Let's take this off. Get there now. Well, we've got that going. We're going to see how hot that is. It's starting to look really good. Bundles melted, so I'll just put the 2 in and hopefully we're nearly there. Alright, I've poured the first one, but the camera went flat on me, so there it is there. So we'll take that out and put it in the water. And I've got the kiln running over there again. footage on this because the camera went flat. Sort of annoyed me a little bit. Alright. That one in there for a minute. Just take this off now. Oh gee, that's hot. That is hot. That is hot. Oh, that is boiling hot. Oh, right. Let's get a measurement. So that's 882 degrees. Alright, we'll let that cool down. That is bloody hot. That's 740 degrees now. 900. Oh, that is hot. shit. We'll just pick it up like that. There we go. So I've done those two and I've done the other ones as well. So let's go weigh them. Alright, so get our scales. Hopefully you can see that. You can see that. Grams, right. Here's the little one. I'll do the little one first. So we got half a kilo. So there's half a kilo. So if we put those together, it should be a kilo. There you go, 1 kilo. There's 879 grams. There's 891. Right, here we go, the big mother. Is it going to weigh 3? Is it going to weigh 3 kilo? Oh, look at that, it's 3 kilos. So that should be 3.5. That should be 4. There is 5 kilos. 5 kilos of copper. I'm not sure that this, I think the limit's 5 kilo on this thing. Yep. So that's 5 kilos. So there's 5 kilos there. And we add that one on top of 5 kilos. So 900, so it's nearly a kilo, that's 900 grams. So there's nearly 6 kilos. 6 kilos of copper ingots. So there you go, guys. 6 kilos of copper ingots. So I'm really happy with him. So later on, I've actually ordered some sanding discs from 220 right down to 5,000. So we're going to get these all polished. So they're going to look nice, and then we're going to stamp them later on. So there you go, 6 kilos. I think it was 8 kilos at the start, but by the time I've sanded it, you do lose a bit. It might have been 7 kilos, not sure. But anyway, there you go. Pretty happy with that. Cheers, guys.